Hello everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in the central region of Umbria, specifically in the Trasimeno Lake area. Have a look at this outstanding view right behind me. Today we're here to visit together a stunning modern villa with a beautiful swimming pool, manicured garden, all of which overlooking this outstanding view right behind me. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. We are located 10 minutes away to Lisciano Niccone, Passignano sul Trasimeno and Tuoro sul Trasimeno, while Cortona and Umbertide are about 30 minutes of drive away, and Florence is about 1 hour and a half away, together with its airport. The villa is surrounded by 2.2 hectares of land, 2,000 square meters, of which are beautiful garden and terraces like this one. The garden is equipped with an irrigation system and the property can be accessed through an automatic access gate. An important aspect to be mentioned is that there is still enough usable volume available for the construction of a second villa or dependance not far to the first one. The villa is 325 square meters, so about 3,500 square feet. It is built with this reinforced concrete and steel load-bearing structure, and it is characterized by all of these beautiful windows overlooking the lake, making this space warm and cozy, whilst at the same time making you feel like you're outside on the garden. The floors are completely covered with this stunning parquet wood, beautifully matching the furnishings, the ceilings, and all of the details around the house, together with the kitchen. On this side, the rooms has a beautiful dining area overlooking the lake. As we move back, we find this part of the kitchen over here, which is used as a bar area. And as we keep going, we have the actual kitchen. It is beautiful and fully equipped. We start over here with the fridge, and on the left side, the refrigerator. Right in front, we have this working space made out of travertino marble. Here is the dishwasher, and these are all storage spaces. This is a gas-powered section. On this side, we have more storage spaces, a large oven and microwave. Whether you're relaxing, cooking, or dining, you're always surrounded by these beautiful, huge windows overlooking this view and letting so much light shine through. On the other side of the living area, we have the beautiful sitting space. It is characterized by this wall completely covered with stone, adding even more texture to the room. And it also has this beautiful stone fireplace right behind me. It is working and it is perfect for the winter time. The villa is connected to the mains water and equipped with a rainwater collection tank. Heating works with a heat pump and there is also air conditioning. Gas comes from LPG. The property is also equipped with solar panels. The living area is then completed by a convenient washroom by the entrance, and I forgot to mention that right in front of the windows, there is a beautiful terrace that you can access through the door in the end. Let's now enter the master bedroom. We are on the same level as the living area we've seen. It has been built and laid out with the same open plan concept as the living area. It has beautiful high ceilings with these exposed wooden beams. In the center, there is this stone fireplace adding character to the room. We have the bedroom section over here, and open plan, we have the beautiful bathroom of the master bedroom with a huge shower in the end. Let me show you on this side, we finally get to the large open space walk-in wardrobe, which then has access to one of my favorite parts of the house, which is this veranda over here. This room can be accessed by the master bedroom, but also through the large living space we've seen earlier. It is perfect as a meditation spot. You can also organize it as a beautiful office space or an art room or even a gym. You are right in front of the lake and it feels like being outside. Passing through these beautiful cement steps, we get to the lower ground level of the villa. It begins with this large reception space in the center, with stone both on the floor and all over this wall. It has a piano corner over there, and from here is where we find all of the rest of the bedrooms of the villa. Let's begin with the largest one over here. From the stone of the reception space, we switch back to the warmth of the wooden floors. This room has this access onto the terrace with the swimming pool. I will show you later. These beautiful arched ceilings. And over here we have an open plan bathroom ensuite with a huge shower over here with a travertino floor, the sink and the bathroom part on this side. On the other side of this floor, we find the other two bedrooms. They are very similar in style. On my left, there is the first one overlooking the pool, and on my right, let's have a look. It is nice and spacious, beautifully furnished with these light colors. The ensuite bathroom, which is open plan, just like the other ones we've seen. And have a look at this outstanding 10 by 7 meters swimming pool. The view is breathtaking, and it even enjoys sun all day long. Since it is south facing, on this side of the sunbathing area, it is also covered by the terrace above, granting some natural shade to relax. We've now reached the end of today's property tour. This villa really is special. The views are outstanding, the finishes are beautiful, and this nice microclimate we get up here with this beautiful breeze coming from the lake really completes the picture, making this a true slice of paradise. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!